But I wanted to share this awesome yard sale finds that we found today. We got up super early, and it is so true. The saying is early bird gets the worm, and if you're early to the yard sales, you get the pick of the crop, you guys, or the cream of the crop, whatever you want to say. But seriously, we found some good deals today. The total was $28, but I'm going to show you everything that we got. Got quite a bit of stuff for $28, and if you break it down by each individual item of how much things actually cost in the stores, we got fantastic deals today. I found this Minecraft shirt for Connor. He loves Minecraft. It's so adorable. And then also for Connor, for fall and winter, I found this nice basic editions, which is Kmart. Just a black basic kind of tee, but has like gray sleeves. And yeah, I mean, that's what that looks like. So when I get to my t-shirts, you guys, I'm actually going to insert pictures too, so you guys can see the full shirt. And while we're on Connor's stuff, I found this Melissa and Doug puzzle. They actually had a ton of these, but I really like this one. It had all the pieces. Some of the pieces of the other ones were missing, but it's an ABC puzzle. He's 4. He does know the stuff, but just to extra polish up on stuff before he goes to school next year, I picked up this puzzle. Plus, like I said, he already has the ABC puzzles. We could do the workbooks, all that stuff. But just as a refresh, that has all the numbers, and when you pick them up, you can count the item in there as well. So I don't know, I just love Melissa and Doug stuff anyway, so picked that up. I found 2 Lego sets. This one here is a 3-in-1 set. You can make a boat, a helicopter, an airplane. We actually saw a helicopter landing today, and Connor was so excited about it. It was so loud, but he really enjoyed it. But I picked this Lego set up for him because he's obsessed with Legos right now. And he got a Lego Duplo set, and I'm going to insert a picture of that because he already took up with that and is playing with it. But he got a 71 piece of the Duplo blocks. I think that's what they're called, Duplo. Anyways, they're Lego brand as well, but I got that for $5, which I thought, you know, they run $20, $30 a set at Walmart. So it was a really good deal, you guys. I grabbed that. I grabbed this one. Keeps him busy. He loves them. And that's all for Connor. Now, I found this Tarte SkinCare High Performance Naturals Ready Set Glow. I've never owned anything from Tarte. This is brand new. The makeup has not been used, but it comes with a lip scrub, exfoliating cleanser, hydrating booster, and a 4-in-1 marine boosting mist. Here's that set. So none of this has been touched. So you get like a exfoliator stick, you get a mineral mist, you get a lip kind of like pencil thing. It's called a lip facial, and you get a lip scrub. And look how adorable that packaging is. I almost forgot about this book, you guys. I found this VeggieTales book, and we love the VeggieTales. And this one actually has a single home button. It does work, and it's called I Thank God for This Day. He has 2 VeggieTales books already, and we like the TV show as well, the movies, all the good stuff. You can't really see this on frame, but it is a gray, kind of worn, like faded kind of style sweatshirt for this fall and winter, and it is Calvin Klein. And it's just the size is worn off in the tag, but it has been worn, it has been used. The material is still super soft. The fleece is still so nice and soft on the inside. It's not balled up or anything. The neck of it looks like it has been like cut, but honestly that's the style of the shirt. And I just love how it looks. I love how it feels, and it's gonna be so comfy in the fall and winter. I like oversized baggy sweatshirts with my leggings and my flats, so I was excited to find that. Now I'm going to insert a picture of that now. I'm going to try to show a better view of this one, and I'm also going to insert a picture. The sleeves look like this. It has some chevron print going on. It's like a navy blue and a cream and a brown like design there. It has a cute bow tie string, drawstring kind of neck thing. I don't even know what you call it, but some nice beading. Look at the neck of this thing. It's like a lace. This is from Cato's, and it is a 26-28. Now, typically, I will wear a 22-24 in a bottom and in a top. So this is going to be a bit big, but I thought to pair with my leggings, this is going to be perfect. It's not going to be too tight or constricting. I love the chevron kind of print with the diamonds. In conclusion, I got 2 Lego sets, the real Lego sets. I got a Melissa and Doug puzzle, the Veggie Cells book, a Tarte skincare set, 2 tops for myself, 2 tops for Connor, and I got it for $28. So I thought I would share this haul with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more yard sale hauls. I don't do these very often, but I do enjoy the yard sale. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and certainly ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content.